Right, so we've got a literally brand new Cayenne GTS in with us here, which has come straight from the dealer again to us here at TTW Installations for our ultimate safety alert system upgrades, which basically comprises of our signature Genevo Pro2M radar and laser device, the Target Blueye 2 touchscreen, which is for emergency vehicles, police, ambulance, fire notification, and we've also fitted the laser track flare on this one as well, which is for mobile camera detection. So really from the outside there's not much to see, which is what we like. So nothing's obvious, but I just thought it was nice just to give you a bit of a video on one of these, because actually we've not done this particular model fitting this type of equipment. We've done so many Porsches, but actually not one of these, so it's quite nice to do something a little bit different. So let me just show you in here what we've actually done. So with the layout in here, we are a little bit restricted in terms of where product can fit, because you've got the whole full screen information here and there's not many areas on where we can actually mount stuff. So up at the top wasn't viable because where locations and everything else. So we've got both the products in here. So we've got the Genevo Pro2M, which is just fitted there. So everything from a driver's point of view is easily seen and accessed. So the Genevo, obviously I've done quite a lot of videos on these. This is a GPS radar based system, but we also link in to the laser track flare, which we've just got the actual button down there. But when we incorporate the laser track flare into this, we get all the settings and everything, so you don't have to keep going back into the software to adjust or modify settings. It can be activated, deactivated, and other sort of tailored settings can all be done through this interface. So they work really well. And then we've also got the Target Blueye system, which is a new touchscreen system, which I personally think this is the best one, just because you get a lot more display. It's obviously touchscreen. It's a nice visible display in here. So we've got both access to these products, to the sort of driver's requirements as and when, if you need to obviously just mute the volume and everything else. So yes, those are the three products that we've obviously installed into here. There is no better products on the market if you want full total coverage for everything now. The new AI cameras, GPS base and laser detection, and then obviously alerts for safety vehicles such as ambulance and police and everything else. Then it is literally the ultimate detection. So if you're looking for the best detection, then please give us a call here at TTW Installations. We'll be very happy to help.